Hi guys, I decided to do a quiz and this one's called How much do you know about winter weather? And some people think I like to talk about the weather and look it up, so I'm gonna just go straight in and see if I know what this quiz has decided to ask. So question number 1, what is frostbite? I've never used the word frostbite in a sentence, so I probably wouldn't personally know what it is or what it means. Low body temperature, the windows are frozen shut, the car won't start because it's too cold, or frozen body tissue. It sounds like something that's for the human body, not for a car or windows, so I'm just going to say low body temperature, and I don't know what's going to happen with that. Question 2. When the weather is extremely cold and dry, snow is less likely to fall. Well, snow sometimes falls when it's raining. You know what? This seems like an obvious yes, like it's true. So when it's extremely cold and dry, it's more likely, less likely to fall. Oh lord, I'm not sure. I'm going to say false, but I think it's wrong. If you exhibit mental confusion, lack of coordination and slurred speech in cold weather, what are you suffering from? You have to write the word. One word, 11 letters. I literally don't know. Question 4. Snowflakes usually have how many sides? Is it 6? I'm going to go 6. The options were 10, 4, 6 and 8. I would think between 6 and 8, but I'm just going to choose 6. Question number 5. Snow blindness. It's checking on my candles. Oh, it's dripping into the next one. And that one's nearly gone. Snow blindness is caused by too much snow. There is no visible horizon, and the person may become disoriented because of lack of shadows and depth. Sure, I'll believe that. Question number 6. What do Canadians use toboggans for? Sorry if I said that wrong. Clearly I don't know what that is. Digging cars out the snow, herding cattle, keeping hands warm, they are mittens, or sliding down hills. I'm going to say digging cars out of the snow. Sorry Canada, and anyone else who knows what that is. Question number 7. Why is there a lot of snow in regions surrounding large bodies of water such as lakes? There isn't, that's just a myth. There is more moisture in the air, there are more storms in such areas, or people's body temperatures attract the snow. It's between a myth or there's more moisture in the air, which goes against what I said previously about it, that I think when it's dry that there's more likely to be snow. So I'm gonna say it's true. I don't know, because technically I don't know a lot about weather, so I'm saying there is more moisture in the air. Question number 8. What is a Chinook? Is it a blizzard, sled, polar bear, warm winter wind? Chinook, in what dialect or who? I don't even know what a sled is. Warm winter wind. No, I'm going to say blizzard because I have no idea. Question number 9. Chionophobia is an abnormal fear of what? Winter, storms, cold or snow? I can't see the correlation between any of them. Storms, should I say? Because I said blizzard for Chinook and it's got, no, they're not related, are they? Okay, I've just put storms. Question number 10, and finally finishing this strange quiz. What is wind chill? A Canadian drink. Have I just chosen a Canadian Okay, a Canadian drink, wind coming through a crack, a warm coat with a hood, or how the air temperature feels on the skin? So wind chill. I'd say wind coming through a crack, like a draft kind of thing. Or it could be how the air temperature feels on the skin. Why is it always between two? Ooh, a wind chill. I'm going to say how the temperature feels on the skin. And I'm submitting my answers. I see so many X's meaning wrong. Okay, what is frostbite? The answer, I said low body temperature. The answer is frozen body tissue. That was creeping in my mind, like, is it that? 95% of players have answered correctly. Wow, that makes me feel really dumb. Okay, so it's frozen tissue inside, okay, of your body. Question number 2, when the weather is extremely cold and dry, snow is less likely to fall. I said false, the correct answer was true. If it's really cold, there is less moisture in the air. That means less snow. And 78% answered correctly. Question 3, if you exhibit mental confusion, lack of coordination, slurred speech, you're suffering from, I wrote don't know, and the answer was hypothermia. Hypothermia is the lowering of the core body temperature. It can be very dangerous, and if left too long it can lead to heart failure. 79% answered correctly. Question 4, snowflakes usually have how many sides? Oh, phew, my answer is 6, and it says yes, snowflakes have 6 sides usually. They can come in different sizes depending on how many ice crystals stick together to form a snowflake. And 69% answered correctly. I got this one wrong. Question 5, snow blindness is caused by too much snow. I said true, the answer was false. Snow blindness is actually a burn of the cornea, covering the clear covering of the eye, caused by UVB rays. It is also known as photokeratitis. A whiteout is the condition in which a person has no reference point because of too much snow. 27% of players got that correct, which means most people said what I said, which is not good because they're wrong. Question 6, what do Canadians use toboggans for? And I said digging cars out of the snow. The answer was sliding down hills. Of course you guys are shouting that at me. Oh, 2 of my candles have gone out. You probably saw when that happened. Question number 7, why is there a lot of snow in regions surrounding large bodies of water such as lakes? I said there is more moisture in the air, and it's the right answer. Moisture is crucial to the production of snow. That was good. Okay, so I've learned something. Snow is because of moisture, but then I did know that with the whole rain becoming sleet. And then question 8, what is a Chinook? I said a blizzard. The correct answer was a warm winter wind. Chinooks are warm, relatively speaking, dry winds. A Chinook winds blow down the eastern side of the Rocky Mountains. 87% answered correctly. Warm winter wind. I like a Chinook. I'd like one every day. Question number 9, chionophobia is an abnormal fear of what? And I said storms. The correct answer was snow. There's so many questions about snow as well. Why didn't I get that? The sufferers of the disorder may fear being stranded in the snow or becoming housebound in a snowstorm. I think many people feel like that, but I'm sure they don't suffer from that fear. But if you do, you have chionophobia, but you might have to check how it's pronounced. 66% of players answered that correctly. And question number 10, what is wind chill? I said, oh, yes. This was the answer. I finally switched at the end, and it was how the air temperature feels on the skin. And it's the right answer. Wind chill is a measure of the cooling effect that the wind has on the body. As the wind blows, it carries the body's internally generated heat away. Flesh is affected by wind chill, but metal is not. So animals and people are vulnerable to it. 96% of players answered correctly. You have scored a total of 45 trivia points. You need 955 more to advance to level 2. There you go guys, I don't actually know much about weather. I apologise, but I will still be doing weather updates now and then. Well, thanks for watching my weather quiz. Let's do a secret phrase which no one will know. Type down below warm winter wind, which is a Chinook, Chinook, because we realised I like Chinooks. Alright, thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you, bye!